meters. Race number 2, 2012 champion 2-year-old Pili Trophy race. Distance 1,300 meters. Start up, winner take all. Gates open. They're up and racing. 4-speed draws for your lead. Speed Maker moving up by the rail. Then moving up to take third. Elusive Wind Moraita. Lord of the Sun running by the rail. Running alongside Conqueror. Magical Halo running third last. Second last Sabuhin and Angelus is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the half-mile pole. Now we have a Speed Maker by about a length and a half. 4-speed Shuffle back in second. Elusive Wind racing in third. Moving up now to take Port Conqueror. Then running in between runners. Lord of the Sun by the Real Magical Halo. Moraita. Then comes Sabuhin and Angelus is still running at the tail of the field. Rounding towards the 450 with his Speed Maker. Moving up now to take second. Elusive Wind 4-speed. Conqueror arriving at the race 2. Then moving up by the rail is Magical Halo. And down the stretch they come is Speed Maker moving up now. Elusive Wind to grab the lead. Then running on the outside is Conqueror. We have Elusive Wind running by the rail. Speed Maker. Conqueror is on the outside. Elusive Wind. Conqueror is on the outside. But Elusive Wind winning this race over Conqueror. Then comes Speed Maker Sabuhin Moraita for your